Sakina, Malika, Aaliyah, Sabria, Kulthum, Zainab, Aisha, Safa, Marwa, Maryama, Khadija.
Imagine you're just walking and then your hijab slips. Damn! It's covered. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a brand new video. I'm going to be showing you guys my hijab styles that I love, and pretty much just style all these different colors, because I feel like when I'm wearing a different color I have to style it a little bit differently, like whereas with black I feel like I always kind of just do messy styles where I kind of just throw it on, but with like certain colors there are certain styles that just amazing. So we're gonna show you guys that. All the hijabs are from Voila Cheek.
Did she really say Voila Cheek?
They literally do the best hijabs ever. I feel like the quality of their scarves, the chiffon and the jerseys, are the best I've ever seen. So I'm going to show you guys all the styles using this hijab, and then I will show you which style I like for each different colour. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right in. So this is style number 1. It is perfect for when you're just in a rush. It literally takes 2 seconds to do. It doesn't need to be perfect, and it requires no pins. It's amazing in every single way. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I'm going to take my hijab from either sides and have a little bit of the cap showing, but that isn't necessary. You could also cover the cap as well, and I'll show you guys that as well. And then you just take it and fold it in like so, and just literally throw it over, and then you just have this part just hanging, and it's comfortable. It actually stays on pretty much for a long time, and it doesn't like slip as much, and I think that's because this piece underneath stops it from slipping, whereas if I was to wear it with nothing underneath, then game over. So this is style number 2. I absolutely love this style. I think this is perfect for when you're on holiday. It's what I like to wear it for. It's one of those styles where it's like quite simple, but then you kind of make it a little bit fancy. The problem with this style is because it's not draped over like the other one, like fully, it's kind of just hanging loosely on the side, so sometimes it will like start to fall apart, which is annoying. You're gonna have to keep fixing it a little bit, but you could easily just wear a pin here, like a magnetic one or a safety pin, or get this little underpiece, and then you can have no neck showing, and even if it slips,
don't care, don't care, don't care.
So in order to do style number 2, you want to start and make sure that you have about an even level on each side, and then grab your hijab like so, just pretty much as the same as the other one, except you're going to throw this one over, and then you're going to take this other side and literally just place that around your shoulder like this. This is style number 3. This is literally one of my favorites to wear in Ramadan. It just gives me Ramadan vibes. I love it because it's like very like covered, full. It makes your hijab look much longer and bigger than it actually is. It's just like Tarawih prayer vibes. So I like to have this style without the cap showing, so I've pushed the cap back a little bit, and you just spin it around. When you twist it around, you can either finish this look by tying a pin here, or you can just bring it and tuck it in. For the purpose of this video, as I'm showing you guys no pin hijabs, I'm just going to tuck it in. This is literally like go-to for winter for me. So yeah, this is the final style. For this style, you want to keep one side long and the other side short still, and then you just take your hijab from both corners, and you literally throw this one all the way around fully until it's like secure on your neck, and then you have just this long dangly part. You can even just leave it dangling, but sometimes I like to just put a little knot, so it just looks a little bit more put together and just, I don't know, just a little bit more fancier. And I do like to take my underpiece sometimes and just drape that around, so it kind of looks like this. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Make sure you also check out Voila Cheek. I've left the link to their website in the description box. They literally do the best hijabs, hands down. I'm going to be filming a part 2 video where I'm going to be showing you guys my jersey collection and how I style my jersey hijabs. They're also from Voila Cheek. I literally am just obsessed with them. But yeah, hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.